Hi guys, welcome back to another video by myself, Patient A7. Leave a like maybe if you enjoyed.
What do you reckon of the smooth slurpees, guys?
Not bad, guys. They're not the best, but they're not the worst.
FYI, this is Mr. Magister 3 years later. How's you looking now, lads?
Making a bit of a comeback on the scene.
I'll hold ya.
Show them Kratos.
What's up, guys? Happy New Year!
Merry Christmas.
These guys are new
Wait,
to
he
the
wasn't
channel.
looking, he wasn't looking.
These guys are gonna be new to the channel. You'll be seeing them a lot now.
It's a bit like
Sophie.
Marco Royce from Roasted Boy.
What's up, guys? It's golden now. We're gonna get new DPs now. Just played a bit of footy. New car reveal. So thanks to you guys, I've been able to afford this car. I'll block out my number plate, but that's what I got. I'll show you the front as well. Thanks for the likes and comments, guys, on the recent videos. It's a Subaru 350Z. That's Matt's car, but I'll block the number plate out. On this Semi's car. It doesn't zoom in, but you can see it. It's like a little UFO. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great new year. See you on my birthday.